What's up, guys? I just bought the backdrop Kshioe from Wish. I'm gonna unbox this right now to see if I got everything there they claim in the website. Should I get on that? So what's coming inside, as we can see, we have an umbrella. We have another umbrella. Put this to the side. We have another umbrella. That's three. Another umbrella. That's four. And on this box we have, those are the, I believe the lamps. Nah, not that one. Yeah. Those are the how the heck I'm gonna, yeah, those are the things for the lamps. I think you're gonna place this in the umbrella for the lamps to power it up. So for four umbrella and four adapter for the lamps, I believe. Yeah. These are the four adapters for the lamps. And I believe these might be the lamps. Yeah. The light bulb. Yeah. Those are the, oh shit. Yes, no. So these are the light bulb for the lamps. Yeah. Yeah, those are the light bulbs. Light bulbs. And 1 second. And this. What the heck is that? These. I don't even know what is that. Alright. Yeah, these are for the lamps. Yeah. I think you can really see this. Yeah, that's for the lamps. Alright, we leave this to the side. And these are the lamps. Yeah, that's for the lamps. That's not what I think I got robbed, but that's not what I ordered. And that's the bag part. And let me tell you something. That's not what I ordered. I ordered everything. I got the green screen, they got the black. They got the black screen and the white screen. That's what they say in the website. But that's not what I see here. Well, this is a failure. in the website, let's say you get everything, but right here, I didn't get everything. This is a total race. In the picture, they show you get everything on the website. You see, you get the green screen, you get the black screen, and you get the white screen, and you get the stand for the to place the green screen. All I got is lights. Better than nothing. Always got a green screen ready. So, oh well. Make sure when you go in the Wish, you know what you're really getting, because this is not what I wanted to get. Alright, I'm gonna set everything up and show you how it is, and I'll be back. Alright guys, I finished fix it. This is how it looks. And this is not what I ordered. I ordered everything, which comes with 4 umbrella, and it comes with the green screen, black screen, and white screen, and it comes with the stand to put the green screen. This is not what I ordered. On the website, they show you everything you get in. I'm gonna show you on the website what I ordered, and you will see for yourself. And it comes with only two light bulbs, 2 light bulbs and 2 stands. And on the website, they show you 4 light bulbs, 4 stand, and 4 umbrella. It only come with 4 umbrella. That's it. A light bulb, 2 light bulbs, and that's it. Now I know the reason why they call it Wish, because it's wishful thinking. Or maybe I did. If I did something wrong, you guys can correct me. Well, I'm kind of disappointed because that's not really what I ordered. Now I have to order a stand to put my green screen. Well, this is when you're ordering something on Wish, make sure you look before you order. Make sure you get the right information before you order, because sometimes they show you everything, but it's not. Well, thank you for watching. Subscribe or like, and if I miss something, comment down below, and thank you.